RVA Today is made possible by today's sponsor.
Welcome back to RVA Today. I'm your host, Naomi Brackett, and today's sponsor is Renewal by Andersen, and I am so pleased to be here with Lucy O'Shields.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited.
Welcome. Yeah, we are here to talk about doors and windows, something probably everybody has in their home.
Yes, absolutely.
And for people at home who may not be familiar with Renewal by Andersen, this is the window replacement division of Andersen Windows. Is that right?
That's
okay,
right.
I got it right.
Absolutely. No, Andersen has actually been around for a while. It was founded over 120 years ago.
No way.
Yes, so it's one of the oldest window companies in our country. So as we see a lot of window companies come and go, Andersen continues to really focus on building our windows to have them last longer, perform better, as well as become more beautiful. So as the replacement division of Andersen, we really provide that outstanding product and experience that homeowners can really expect from that Andersen brand name.
Yeah, and it is such a well-known brand name, and I see the signs out everyone's yards, the stickers on the windows. One of the things I know that makes your company kind of unique is that you work with, I'm going to say this correctly, this exclusive composite material called Fibrex.
Yes.
For someone who knows nothing about windows or window materials, what is that and why is it so important?
I'm glad you asked, because not everybody knows about windows, right? So Fibrex has a lot of benefits, and one big thing is that it's got the strength and beauty of a wood window, but you don't have to paint it and scrape it to maintain it.
Oh, wow.
Also, it's 200% stronger than a vinyl window, so it's not going to bow and crack like vinyl can. So honestly, Fibrex material is the best choice for our Virginia homeowners because it's beautiful, it's durable, it's energy efficient, and it's low maintenance.
And it looked wonderful in that photo. I mean, the light coming in. So this is the actual material that is around the glass.
Correct.
This is the framing.
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
Awesome. I know your installers only install Renewal by Andersen windows.
Yes.
Okay, so we're not looking at any other type of window. You're locked into one thing.
Yes.
Why is that, and what can people expect from that experience?
Oh, those are great questions. So a lot of installers out there do windows, but they aren't necessarily expert installers. So I would say they're a jack of all trades. So they're doing things like gutters, siding, roofing, and many other things. Our certified master installers are hand-picked and trained rigorously by Renewal by Andersen before they even step foot in your home. And so honestly, that means they do windows and doors all day, and they've seen it all when it comes to window installation. So by the time they get to your project, you can feel comfortable that they're going to get it right the first time.
I mean, and that must give people so much peace of mind. Yeah. I know people who have had window door replacement, and it's just been such a nightmare from the get-go. They didn't know what to expect. It wasn't done correctly. So having that highly trained team, I think, is so important.
It's very important.
Some single focus, you know, really get through it. I know you guys do not just windows, but also patio doors. Is that right?
That's right. And we do provide many styles of patio doors, including those that so many people are familiar with, like our traditional French door and our gliding door. And as with our windows, you can choose hardware, grill patterns, as well as your interior paint stains for your patio doors. And just to mention, our gliding doors are actually engineered with a dual ball bearing roller that allows that glider to roll smoothly when you open and close it, right? So you don't want any catches. It rolls smoothly for years. And then with its continuous weather stripping, it gives the superior energy efficiency and leaves your home so comfortable all year round.
Yeah, so important with those big glass doors. Yes. We can't wrap today without talking about this limited time deal that you have going on. Go ahead and give the people the details.
Yeah, absolutely. It's such a huge discount on everything now through April 30th. Save 20% on all of our windows, patio doors, and entry doors. Plus, you can get it all with no money down, no payments, and no interest for an entire year.
Awesome. Well, if you want to take advantage of that deal, go ahead and call that number on your screen or visit qualityyoutrust.com. Thank you so much, Lucy.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching RVA Today. We'll see you next time.